Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with other users on the Badoo application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo application on your device. And now, once you are logged into your account, you will see various different profiles that you can like or dislike based on your preference. Now, you can either match with this user by sending a like, and then you will directly be able to write a message to start chatting with this user if they also tapped like on you. You will then be able to find the chat with this user in the chats menu. You can also use the nearby feature at the bottom left corner and you will be shown various different profiles that you can tap on and tap on the chat option to directly start chatting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with another user on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.